our 7th chapter, Indian Women Politicians. Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. She was the first woman president of India. She was the 12th president. Born in 1934 in Maharashtra, she served as President of India 2007 to 2012. Mayawati Prabhudas. She is an Indian politician. She has served 4 separate terms as Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Mayawati is the National President of Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP. She is also known as the BSP Supremo. Jayalalitha Jayaram. Jayalalitha was an Indian actress and turned to politician. She was also the General Secretary of the All India Anna Dravida Munneta Kazhagam, AIADMK party. She died in office on December 5th, 2016 at the age of 68 years after suffering from a major cardiac arrest. Her followers fondly call her Amma and Pulalchi Talaivi. She served 6 times as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Sheila Dikshit. Sheila Dikshit became Chief Minister of Delhi in 1998. She was known as the longest serving Chief Minister of Delhi and served for nearly 15 years. Sonia Gandhi is an Italy-born Indian politician. She joined the Congress party and ventured into the Indian politics post her husband Rajiv Gandhi's assassination. Now she is the acting president of Indian National Congress. Sushma Swaraj. She served as the leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP in Lok Sabha for 5 years. She is a former Supreme Court lawyer and the first woman Chief Minister of Delhi and also Minister of External Affairs. Mamata Banerjee, the first woman Chief Minister of West Bengal. She is the chief of the Trinamool Congress TMC. She is regarded as Didi in West Bengal. Meera Kumar. She is the first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha and the 15th Speaker of Lok Sabha and the second woman to be nominated for President of India. Smriti Irani is the Minister of Textiles of India who was former television actress and producer. She served as the Union Minister for Human Resource Development HRD. Vasundhara Raje Scindia became the first woman Chief Minister of Rajasthan in 2003. Now she is serving as the National Vice President of BJP.